Hi guys, today I'll show you Hyundai Poter2. This is Frozen truck 2019, made by 2019 and first registration is 2019. You see the door is 2. It means this is very longest frozen truck and very high. I first time to see this is very high. I will show you. My height is 180, but still have. My height is exactly 181 centimeter, but the here to up is I think over 185 maybe. That's why very high. And see the door, catch, or stainless. This is not aluminium. This is not iron. This is stainless. That's why no rust. See, or stainless. That's why no rust, very expensive. Or stainless. See, 30 pallet we can put it inside. I don't know how to put it. Okay, under chassis there is no rust, very clean inside, very clean. Almost new tires, or tires, 6 tires, like still like new, and chassis number 708249. No, this is new tires, spare tires. This is all stainless. LED light, the nighttime levers, there is a light on. Chassis is very clean. No need to worry about the rust. And tire, still like brand new tires and new wheel caps. You see the quality. This is quality truck. Okay, I will start engine first. (2019) and have many extra keys. You don't have to worry about extra keys. Also have Android monitor. I'll start first. New injector. You don't have to worry about the injector. New injector. 4 new injectors. Check. Frozen. Until 40. Until 30. Let's check temperature later. Very clean. No lavacas. There is no jumping oil. And engine oil is clean. Clean engine oil. Also no lavacas. And new injectors. Clean radiator. New coil mat. Okay. Android monitor, radio.
It helped me make it through the night.
Working good. String limo.
소금 여단이 최근
Also here working good.
너의 자격이 골자로 한 세법
All function is working good, and you can watch YouTube or anything here. You can watch YouTube or I don't know how to control it, but anyway, that is in English also. I don't know how to. Rear camera. There is rear camera and rear sensor. I will change it language English later. I don't know how to use it. Okay. And let's check. Going down. Air condition is working good. Still going down. There is a laser point. Okay. It's a very cold. Okay, I will test drive. Window. auto folding side mirror. Working good. Okay. Actually, we already test drive around 150 kilometer from first owner. Was so nice. Quality truck. Very hard to find like this truck. Second gear, third gear, four, fifth, six. Shifting is very smooth. Third gear. And no sound from steering wheels. Okay, straight. I'll try. Second gear, third gear, four, speed bump. Okay guys, it's a nice test drive. Neutral, and the temperature frozen is -6. Still going down. Let's check temperature. It's a very cold outside. 22, 23. Inside minus. Okay guys, you don't have to worry about the condition. This is perfect. Very hard to find like this condition. Or stainless box, longest and highest frozen truck. Okay guys, thank you for watching video. Best Buy, thank you.